Children of Standard 5, we have been discussing safety and first aid. We discussed about what is safety and why should we follow safety rules to avoid accidents, and we can prevent accidents by following certain safety rules. We talked about the different first aids for different conditions, and in my earlier class I talked about the first aid for nosebleed and first aid for fractures. So children, a crack or a break in a bone is called fracture. Today we are going to discuss about sprains. So many times while we are walking or exercising, people complains of twists around their joints, and this is called a sprain. So it can also be very painful. And what should be the first aid for the sprains? Children, first of all, we must rub or ice pack should be kept on the sprain to reduce the inflammation, as the injured part usually swells up. So to stop the swelling, we should always rub ice pack, and we should apply a painkiller on the affected area, because normally the pain starts, and we should not rub or we should not give pressure to the affected area. And for providing support to the area, we must tie a bandage in a figure of 8. This provides maximum support and movement to the joints. Children, one thing I want to explain, that is when we talk about the ricer. Ricer means what? Ricer is a term used for first aid in case of sprains. So ricer, the R stands for rest, I for ice, C for compression, and E for elevation, and R for referral. So children, rest, when we normally we get an injury, so after the injury we should not take part in any activity that can cause more pain, and moving the injured part can increase the bleeding and swelling. So we should avoid any kind of activity when we get sprains. And ice pack is used to reduce pain and swelling, as I told you earlier. And compression, C stands for compression. So we must tie a bandage to the affected area firmly, just to protect the injured area. We should tie the bandage just below the injured area and the affected area. And E for elevation, that we must keep the injured area elevated. So this limits blood flow and minimizes swellings. So we should keep our legs just above our hips by putting the leg on a chair, pillow or stool. And we can use a sling for arm injury too. So referral is refer to a doctor. So there is a condition when we require doctor, and for any kind of X-ray, ultrasound or CT scans to help the diagnosis of the injured part and plan the treatment accordingly, because X-ray gives a clean report of the affected area, what is the condition of the sprain and the extent of the sprain, what should be the planning. The patient needs rest, patient needs plaster, patient needs crepe bandage, the doctor will decide. So in the first 48 hours after an injury, we should not use any kind of treatment such as heat or hot rubs. We should not do these things. We should avoid moderate or intense activity and massage. So children, sprain is the condition when we must keep quiet and we must go for the first aid for sprain is riser, that is raised, ice, compression, elevation, and referral. By that way, we can overcome the impact of sprains.